Okay, I'm back. So here's what I did. I put some solder in some strategic spots here. The connection, the branches will go here, 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 and here. These, I usually put a couple more spots just in case I want to change something or let's see, this is the positive side. So if it's the positive side, I need to run a for the charging. So um, I will need to probably branch off of either this side or this side, depending on which side I want the wires to come out of. I think I'm gonna have coming out this way, so I'll probably utilize this guy here. So this will be for charging, and these will be for discharge. So now this terminal bus bar um, will separate the load between these 5 points, and that's why I was mentioning. That's why this terminal bus bar doesn't need to support 400 amps. It will only need to support 400 amps plus if I had a single discharge wire at the end of this guy. For example, if I only had the discharge wire connected at this end, all the current will have to come up to the terminal bar and travel this way out through the discharge. And all that current traveling through all this will need to support around 400 amps. Um, or at least this spot right here will need to support 400 amps because all the current is essentially this becomes the bottleneck here, so it comes out this way. So the way I do this is I don't think I've seen anybody else do before. um, Maybe I'm sure other people do it as well too. I have seen battery packs with two different discharge wires, and that's probably what they do. They go at two different points here. So this reduces the bulk of this guy. The way I'm doing it now reduces the bulk of it, and what it also does is it helps even out the flow. Um, so instead of the flow, instead of the current having to have to go up all these channels and down this terminal bus bar, now it goes straight to the branch and up to the connector. So it's just cleaner this way. And then what I have here, I have all the balance tabs soldered as well too. And now you only need a little dot here because the balance wires aren't that big. And I also did the same thing on the other side here. Let me show you the BMS here. So I have a Ant BMS. Look at this guy. This guy is huge. Let me see if you can see this. Sorry, see a speck of this guy. All right, so this is a 24S capable, has a peak output of 1,000 amps and continuous at 400. Supports between 17 and 24S. This is a 20S 10P. So this will put out 72 volts at 400 amps. And here is where it goes to the negative terminal. And then here is discharge here. So between those 5 branches I was telling you about, I'll probably double up on this one and this one, or whichever one, and then cut them to size and have it branched off down there. So what I plan on doing is to have the BMS sitting up this way. So you see that I'll have it sitting up here like this, and then I'll have the wires coming straight down and reaching the tabs right underneath. So if I have the BMS sitting up here like this, then this means that this would have to be either facing up or facing back. I can't have it facing forward because if I lean this over, then the pressure is going to exert itself onto the balance wires, and we don't want that. And the reason why we don't want that is because vibrations again. Vibrations will end up jostling loose one of the balance wires, and then now you have to service the pack. And servicing a pack is something I hate doing. I don't generally do it. I prefer to just build packs from anew. And yeah, so this this side is off limits and this side is off limits. So you can orient it this way, and then or you turn it the other way, or you can lay it on the other sides. But um, yeah, it's very easy to tell. I usually always have this facing upward. All right, did I cover everything here? Mm, yeah, I think I'm done for tonight. Um, yeah, I'm done for tonight. I'll resume this tomorrow night, and stay tuned. So I think I'll upload this as a part one video. Yeah, I'll upload as a part one video, and I'll also upload part two. All right, good night, guys.